Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively study anatomy using your iPad. First, choose a robust anatomy application, such as Complete Anatomy or Human Anatomy Atlas, which offers detailed three-dimensional models. Make sure your iPad has ample storage, ideally at least 64 gigabytes, to accommodate these large files. An Apple Pencil is essential for accurate annotations and drawing directly onto anatomical structures, enhancing your learning experience significantly. Dive deep into interactive three-dimensional models, rotating and dissecting them to understand complex relationships. Isolate specific structures, like the heart or a particular muscle, to focus on their unique characteristics. Many apps offer augmented reality, allowing you to project anatomical models into your room, creating an immersive study environment. Regularly test your knowledge with the integrated quizzes to reinforce learning. Leverage your iPad for smart note-taking by annotating directly onto anatomical images and three-dimensional models using your Apple Pencil. Craft custom flashcards, either within your anatomy app or using a separate flashcard application, to target specific areas of difficulty. Export your annotated images and notes to build personalized study guides. Employ split-screen multitasking to simultaneously view digital textbooks and your interactive anatomy models. For lasting retention, implement spaced repetition, reviewing challenging structures at increasing intervals. Practice active recall by drawing anatomical structures from memory on a blank digital canvas, then compare your work to the detailed models. Many apps offer clinical correlations, helping you understand how anatomy applies to real-world medical scenarios. Finally, collaborate with study partners by sharing your annotated images and custom quizzes for mutual benefit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.